What's up, Mr. Fikes? Alright, so today I will be discussing movie ticket prices by Kendall, Jesus, and Tanner. So the table here represents the average price per movie over the last 25 years. The data started in 1992 when the price for one ticket was $4.15 and ends in 2016 at $8.65 for a single ticket. And our data was found on this website right over here, boxofficemojo.com. All right, so logarithmic app or graph. As you can see, the regression equation y equals 1.66 ln times x plus 2.4. And as you can see, r squared equals 0.808. And this was our most inaccurate graph, as you can see. Here's our power with our regression equality or regression equation equaling y equals 3.15x to the 0.283 squared, and r2 r squared equals 0.856, the third most accurate graph. Here's our exponential graph, which ended up being the second most accurate graph. And as you can see the equation right there, and see what r squared equals. Here's our quadratics graph, which was our most accurate graph overall. As you can see, the price over the year. Here's our linear graph with our regression equation right there. Also the most accurate graph we had. And r squared with a value of 0.988. And as you can see, both the quadratic and linear graphs have a coefficient of determination r squared of 0.988, which is closest to 1.0, making them the most accurate models and equations for determining points of interpolation and extrapolation. And the linear model will be used in these examples. All right, so interpolation. So basically, in 2008, the average price of a movie ticket was $7.18. By putting the year of 2008 in the data as an independent variable, we could predict the cost of a movie ticket for that year, which predicted was $7.08. In 2007, a ticket cost $6.88, as in 2009, it was $7.50. The ticket prices increased each year. Extrapolation. We can predict the cost of a movie ticket for the year 2020 by using the linear model. Adding the data point of 2020 changed the r squared value to 0.99, making the data more accurate. And here are our sources, and that will be it.